it's already raining. Welcome to Resorts World Sentosa. We're going inside Universal Studios, Singapore. The rain is starting to pour now. When you go here, they open at 11 AM. So we arrive a little early. There's a lot of people now. It's a weekend. Hope we enjoyed everything here. And I hope this rain will stop as soon as possible. Universal Studios, raining. So most of the attractions inside are indoor or it has cover. So even if it rains, it's okay. That's from the tour guide. We heard from them. So let's enjoy the rides later. I hope we get to experience all the rides and not a lot of lines. How was your Singapore experience? First time traveler.
Tiring, but fun.
Yeah, so you need to prepare yourselves for a lot of walking and a lot of walking.
Yes.
Because here everything's has a public
About
transportation. A walk. This is a walk to remember.
This is a walk to remember kind of.
Going to the MRT stations, going to the bus stations, takes a little while to walk. Good thing they have escalators and walk-a-lators, but still you need to stand for a long time. So it's all indoor type. It has cover, so you don't need to worry about the rain. There's a lot of people today. It's a weekend. Everyone's spending their time here at Universal Studios. Better you download the Universal Studios app. Yeah. Here, so you can check all the schedules. There are two shows, Rock and Trolls and Sweet and Sour Squad. When you go inside, there's a lot of shops here, themed shops, Minion Mart, Hollywood China Arcade. From the app, I can see that there are 15 rides. Water World is closed right now, so we'll see. Here is the first show, the Trick and Thrills. It's already Halloween season, that's why there are horror nights. Here's the Halloween attraction. There's a lot of meet and greet. They will come out around 11:30 AM. There is a waiting time for every attraction. So if you're gonna wait around 30 minutes for every attraction, it will take you the whole day just to finish everything. First ride, the Transformers ride of the bots.
He's after the Allspark. No, we gotta get him. Behind you. Got it. Work. Autobots, roll out. I got escape Megatron. Reverse thrusters. Full cover. Escape route. Wait. Sideswipe. This mission got Jam, you got it! Shit. Nice team.
It took us around 40 minutes just to start the ride. It was good experience. For the experience, the ride was moving all the way through. 4-minute ride. We started at around 11 a.m. It's already 3 p.m. and we only had 3 rides. 3 rides. So, set your expectation when going here. It takes a lot of time queuing up. It's a weekend, so it's just like that. In the Transformer, it took us around 1 hour just to start the ride for 4 minutes. And also the Mommy, around 30 minutes for a 2-minute ride. The experience is nice. It's a different one. Those are good attractions, high quality. You'll enjoy it here. Jurassic Park. They also sell here the Express, Universal Express, so you don't need to queue up so much.
Parang ano lang.
Some attractions are also under construction or renovation. The Rapids is closed right now. We'll just try the other rides. But there's a long queue again. You see? So there's an expectation for the rides. It was written like 30 minutes, 60 minutes. The longest was 80 minutes. So
30 lang.
an hour and 20 minutes. This is one of the best rides here, but it's currently closed. A lot of rides are closed here right now. Renovation and everything. This one is an easy ride. Try it.
Wala akong matapos.
5 minutes waiting time. It's already 4:45, so short lines now. That ends our Universal Studios Singapore trip for today. Later in the afternoon, around 4:30 onwards, the line is fast. So it's better to go here late on the weekends. We already ride the Transformers twice, Mommy twice, the Galactic twice, and it's good. And I'm so dizzy right now. I feel like I'm seasick. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.